Welcome to our roundup of the best car jump starters, powerful and compact emergency tools designed to help you restart your vehicle quickly without needing another car. A reliable jump starter can save you time, stress, and roadside trouble, especially during emergencies or when you're far from assistance. Modern jump starters come with high peak current, built-in safety protections, USB charging ports, and even LED flashlights for nighttime use. Many models also double as power banks, allowing you to charge your devices on the go. Whether you drive daily or travel occasionally, having a jump starter in your car is a smart and practical investment. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car jump starters available right now. Starting with the SZ EVZO ET03 jump starter, this model is known for delivering strong performance with a compact and portable design. It typically offers high peak current, making it capable of jump-starting larger vehicles, including SUVs and trucks, with ease. The device also supports deeply discharged batteries, helping revive completely dead batteries when needed without external assistance. It includes multiple safety protections such as reverse polarity and short-circuit protection to ensure safe operation at all times. Many versions also feature USB ports and an LED flashlight for emergency situations and nighttime visibility. Users appreciate its reliable performance and solid build quality. Additionally, it delivers consistent power output and supports multiple jump starts per charge for extended usability. It also enhances emergency readiness by providing dependable starting power even in cold weather, long parking situations, and unexpected roadside breakdown conditions. Next up is the Oxylem Jump Starter, a practical and user-friendly option designed for everyday drivers. This jump starter typically features a high-capacity battery along with strong peak current output for reliable engine starting performance. It often includes smart jumper cables that provide built-in safety protections, helping prevent incorrect connections and electrical damage during use. The compact design makes it easy to store in your car without taking up too much space or adding extra weight. Many models also include USB charging ports, allowing it to double as a portable power bank for your devices. Users often appreciate its ease of use and quick setup process. Additionally, it provides stable performance and consistent starting power across different vehicle types. It also enhances convenience by offering emergency lighting, fast charging support, and reliable performance during unexpected roadside situations and long-distance travel needs. Moving on to the Wolfbox Jump Starter, this model focuses on delivering high power output along with advanced features for demanding situations. It typically offers strong peak amperage, making it suitable for larger engines and more challenging starting conditions. Many versions include a digital display that shows battery status clearly, helping users monitor power levels easily and accurately. The device often supports fast charging and multiple output ports for added versatility and device compatibility. Its durable construction ensures reliability even in rough conditions, making it suitable for both everyday drivers and outdoor use. Users appreciate its powerful performance and modern design. Additionally, it ensures efficient power delivery and reliable starting capability for different vehicle sizes. It also supports enhanced safety systems, improved durability, and stable performance during frequent, long-term, and heavy-duty usage environments. Stepping up in performance, the Astro Eye S8 Jump Starter offers a strong combination of power, safety, and convenience for daily and emergency use. This model is known for delivering high peak current, allowing it to start vehicles quickly and efficiently even in difficult conditions. It typically includes multiple safety protections, such as overcurrent, overvoltage, and reverse polarity protection for safe operation. Many versions also feature a compact design with built-in flashlight modes, including SOS and strobe for emergencies and roadside alerts. It often supports multiple charging outputs, making it useful as a power bank for phones and accessories. Users appreciate its balanced performance and reliability. Additionally, it provides consistent starting power and efficient energy usage during operation. It also enhances usability by offering clear indicators, quick recharge capability, and dependable performance across different weather conditions and real-world usage scenarios. Taking the top spot is the Clore Automotive Jump Starter, a highly trusted and professional-grade option known for its strong performance and long-lasting durability. Clore Automotive Jump Starters are widely recognized for delivering reliable power output and consistent performance, making them suitable for both personal and professional use. Many models include heavy-duty cables and strong clamps that ensure secure connections during operation without slipping. These jump starters are designed to handle repeated use and larger vehicles with ease. Users often appreciate their durability and consistent performance over time. Additionally, it delivers powerful and stable starting performance even under heavy-duty conditions and frequent long-term and heavy-duty usage environments. All of these car jump starters serve different needs depending on power, portability, and features. The SZEVZO ET03 jump starter offers strong all-around performance with high power output. The Oxalam model provides simple and reliable everyday use. The Wolfbox jump starter delivers advanced features with strong power. The Astro I S8 balances safety, performance, and convenience. And the Clore Automotive jump starter stands out as the most durable and professional-grade option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car jump starters, from compact portable units to powerful models designed for heavy-duty use. If you want peace of mind on the road and a reliable solution for unexpected battery issues, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which jump starter you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car gadget reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and stay prepared for any roadside emergency with the right jump starter.